welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print a picture insert page for your Precious Memories books. We'll start off by selecting the register book on the left-hand side, and you'll choose the layout according to the type of book that you'll want to print. Next, we'll click Print to generate our PDF file. The picture insert page will generate on a separate PDF file than the rest of the book. Once the rest of the book loads, we'll focus in on this template. I'll exit out of the rest of the book and hit File, Print. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies that we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following are selected. Actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, portrait, and on the right-hand side, we'll make sure that the document and paper size match in both width and height. Next, we'll go into the advanced properties, and toward the bottom, we'll make a few changes. We'll start by changing the ink to color. Here you have the option to change your input tray. Today I will be using the bypass tray. And last but not least, we have the paper type, which will always be thick 1 in order to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. From here, you can register your current settings, creating a preset that you can use for future templates. Name the preset here and click OK, and you'll create a preset that's just one click away for future use. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.